Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing and then letting me know in the comments below that you're a brand new subscriber. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a Happy Planner fanatic. I'm absolutely obsessed with the Happy Planner, and here on YouTube I love to share all sorts of different things. In this particular video, this is going to be a flip through of a brand new sticker book that just recently released with the Happy Planner. This is a collab with Marabou Design by Brandy Brown. This is a really beautiful sticker book. It is sized for the mini, and specifically the mini vertical planner, which if you have been watching my channel for any short amount of time at all, I just recently started using a mini vertical, so I really wanted to get my hands on this one in particular because I am still trying to get used to the mini vertical layout because it's so small, and it really helps to have a sticker book that is sized specifically for it to make it a little bit easier for a beginner like me. But this video is just going to be flipping through it, just kind of like, I don't want to say a review, but just kind of like talking through it. It's not going to be too quick or too slow or anything, but just kind of showing you an in-depth flip through of it. It was pretty hard to find. My Joann's is on the app. It's been saying that there are some available, but then when I go, it is absolutely nowhere to be found. And people that have been finding this book, it has been not in the Happy Planner aisle, but it's on a totally different end cap, which is like the end of the aisle, like on the facing outward. And so I looked at all of those areas, but there was nowhere to be found. But I saw it in a box, and I asked the worker at Joann's to maybe get it out for me. I was very nice about it, but she pulled it out for me, so I was very happy with that. There are also ones that are sized for the classic, and then there's also a collab with A Spoonful of Faith. So it is two women that I've never heard of before, but they're not brand new or anything by any means. They're very talented and create a lot of beautiful artwork. So I'm very happy that the Happy Planner collabed with them to make a sticker book. So let's go ahead and hop into it. The first page has these vertical, or like, I guess they're horizontal, although I guess you could technically put them this way in your planner, but I'm also going to, while I'm doing this, have this open so you can kind of have a look at what it is supposed to be fitting. So if you were to pull this up, you would maybe put it either here or here. That's really pretty. This lemon is kind of a different color yellow, which is pretty. And then this sheet has some lightning bolts, popcorn, lemon, paper airplane. Very beautiful. I love these flowers in this book. And because this is sized for a mini, all of the stickers are much smaller, which I really enjoy because then you get a lot more of them. So this is lots of different insects. Just cute. I really like the colors. Then this says, zap them with super love. That's cute. When life gives you lemons. What a special day. Whatever you do, do your very best. Oh my gosh, I love this. Your ideas belong here. And then these boxes are exactly perfect to fit in these vertical boxes here. So they're very small, and then there are 3 bullet points. Oh, look at this. And then there are these small squares that fit perfectly in the vertical layout. So they're very small. And then these little decors that are going to fit in each vertical column. I'm really liking the colors a lot. And then here's some boxes. Focus, very important. And then top 3 down here. And then here's some checklists. All right, and then these are going to take up 2 boxes, or I really like to put them in my sidebar for like a full week to-do list. See, super fun week. These little flowers are actually really, really fun. And then these triangles, I like the different shapes. Here are some circles with different either quotes or like words, and then some decor. Mental day, that's cute. Vibes, chill out, OMG. All right, ooh, I love these. Love the words. So there's today, maybe with a question mark, never, now, later, and hello. And of course, since they are mini, there's a lot more of them and they're a little bit smaller. Here's start, finish, save, soon, and yes. I love the words. I use those a lot. Ooh, here's more doodles. Some butterflies, leaves, lemons, flowers. Love it. Okay, here are some more squares. And then these are big enough to be 2 columns, if you can picture that. So those can kind of be headers or really anything that you want. Good things will happen, set goals and crush them. I'm really excited to use this. I've already made my mini layout for this upcoming week, but I'm going to be using this next week. So here's later, today, cancel. Here's some arrows. Those are always really helpful to have. Stars, goals, and some hearts. Yay, no, exclamation mark, question mark, a phone, and paid on like some money. Really pretty. Here are, these are kind of the same size that you would think of when you would put them in a classic size, but this more than likely is going to be maybe either 2 columns or a little bit less. And then here's brain dump, this week, big ideas, get it done. And then all of these headers fit in just 1 column. So today, maybe, start, finish, later, soon, never, cancel. And then some great circles. This has a little bit of gold foil. Remember, important review, focus on. Today, to do, later, now, start. And then some stars. Wow. There's a lot in this. This is a great book. Here's cheers, bright ideas. You don't need the sun to make you shine. Cheers. Hooray. I like these lightning bolts. Those are gold foil. Here's some more horizontal boxes that you would put maybe across the bottom or the middle and do some nice layering with. So you are inspiring and beautiful. Wow, I love that. This says make lemonade. It's a little bit hard to read, but it is on gold foil. Life is sweet and party time. I'm loving the lemons, really cute. Okay, so these are little, you could maybe call them washi strips, but they're not washi material. But these are cut to be 1 column. This is cut to be, looks like 2 or maybe 2.5 columns. And then this is for all 4. And there's 5 different patterns. Here are some gifts, nail appointment, passport, banner, ticket, really cute. Here's some gold foil words, Bright ideas, hooray, life is sweet, party time. Really, really nice to have words. And then these are going to be cut for an individual vertical box, just like one box. So it's more of like a decor if you have a day that you don't have as much to write. Look at this laptop. That is some really good detail. Love the lemons squeezed today. Here's some more really long boxes to take up either multiple boxes or a really nice sidebar. Looking ahead, I love this basket of lemons. Here are, looks like some kind of like confetti with a little bit of gold in it. And you could put these in corners, and then these straight ones could really go anywhere, but that's really a nice added touch. And then here's some words. Yum yum, brunch, lunch, dinner. Love to have those. Here's some good checklists, lots of those. Love. Here is a ribbon. Sunglasses, cheers. And last page is, yay, you get some holidays. So like New Year's, Thanksgiving, St. Patrick's Day, my birthday, President's Day, lots of those. So that is going to be a full flip through. I am really, really, really happy that I finally found this. I went to my Joann's a bunch of different times until I finally saw it in that box, and that's something that I really enjoy doing, is finally like finding it. It's kind of like a rush because I'm so addicted. It's just so much fun to go and find new books. So let me know in the comments below if you have found any of the new releases with these different collab ladies at your Joann's, and which book is your favorite, because so far this is the only one that I have, but I'm definitely going to be going back very soon to go find some of the Spoonful of Faith, and then some of the extension packs as well. I definitely want to get my hands on. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye guys.